kind of a pain in the butt. Okay, this is awful. Oh, I hate this, and it's not going like I thought it would. Saw these in the tutorials, and they looked very helpful. Glamour curl. Well, I hope I did that right. That feels weird. I went and got a lash lift once. It was like $100, and I don't even think it was worth it. Like, the lady didn't even do a good job. So I think I messed up the adhesives. I took it on and off a couple times. What I'm gonna do is brush some lash glue on it now. All right, that's more like it. I was able to lay it down with the magnifying mirror. I'll apply the lash glue to the top of the lash pads and wait 10 to 20 seconds for the glue to dry before pushing your lashes onto the pad. It says, don't apply too much glue as it can prevent the lotions from properly penetrating. So it actually does say I can cut the pad if it's longer than I need it. We're gonna try the fresh because I had trouble. All right, that was better. Cut. That corner doesn't really want to stick. Kind of annoying. I would assume after you get used to doing it a few times, it's probably easier and easier. We're gonna put the glue on the lash pad, but not too much because we don't want to make it so that the solutions don't work. And we're supposed to put it on the bump of the pad, like above. Okay, 10 to 20 seconds. Let's see, I think we just push up the lashes onto, oh. What in the fudge? Okay, this, more glue because that was crazy. Nothing is happening. Okay. Slow. I don't want to rush this. It's like my lashes don't want to stick. Oh, this is super annoying. So not as easy as I thought it would be. Let's try some more lash glue because obviously I didn't put enough. I don't know. Maybe it's this brush I pushed them up with. My gosh, come on, like, let's get on there. So this glue is not working either on this side, so I'm gonna add a little more, even though it says to be careful about too much glue. I don't know. exhausting and annoying and I hate it already, but I'm already doing it, so here we are. And it's not going like I thought it would. Oh shit, did you see that? Still have lashes that won't lay down, look. Okay, they all look up. Finally. They don't look symmetrical, oh God. Get some on my applicator. Here goes nothing. Right, I'm going in with the bigger applicator because that didn't really seem to touch my lashes at all. And I'm just removing it from, you know, the bottom part because it's only supposed to be on the midsection. And because I have a lash that's kind of like doing its own thing and didn't get stuck, I'm gonna get a piece of plastic and just put it over that part. So hopefully, even though it's not glued down, it doesn't throw off the symmetry of my eyelashes. So see? That under there. Okay.
15 minutes, counting down.
In case you're using this while also using the Lash Lift set, proceed to step 2 and ignore step 1. Okay, it says mix a pea-sized amount of tint and antioxidant gel, approximately 1 centimeter of each. We're gonna just remove this. I stuck that directly in the bag and see how that worked out instead of squishing it out, and I think I like that better so that it's not wasting what I don't use or need. Oh, let's push that up and away. There we go. Alright, there we go. Got everything down and not this lash. Lay down. Hold up. Hey Siri, set a 12-minute timer and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna take a break, guys. I sure need one. So let's go ahead and get this off. I think that I removed everything, but let me do one more. Yeah? Oh my goodness, go USA! It says to go from the base all the way up. Up. Go. This is super nerve-wracking, by the way. I've been nervous the entire time. So if you're a nervous Nelly, I would skip this because it's kind of freaking me out inside. But I really like the way it looks when it's done well. So there's that also. Just keep that motion going up and away from your eyeball per the directions, plus also common sense. Okay, so then we're just gonna do that. All right, we've got tinted curled lashes. What do you think? Nourish lotion. So my sister has used this. Cynthia, shout out to Cynthia. She told me just brush up your lashes every day in the morning and then it would last longer. So anyways, I'm figuring just brush them up, brush them up, brush them up. So now the next eye. I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on it. Remember I cut it, got the lash glue. The middle stuck fine, it was the edges that were kind of weird, so I'm putting a little extra glue on those this time. Wait a few seconds to let it get tacky, Tacky. Has anyone used these facial patches? They're frownies. Or these. They're called smoothies. I don't want Botox, but I'm starting to see fine lines, and I thought I'd try them out. They're hilarious. My husband thinks I'm crazy. And I made him try them. He said he's not doing it anymore, but he tried it at least one time. For my amusement, I would save this next time for like if I had nothing to do the rest of the day. That's the day I would save this for. This is not sticking. I'm gonna put more glue on. The not fun part. The last time I remember, I was scared to put too much glue and then my lashes didn't stick. So this time around, I'm gonna go for more glue, despite what the directions say, because I think I underestimated. It said don't use too much and I used it sparingly, and it just said don't overdo it, I think is what it meant. Yeah, let's go ahead and try this again. Dang it! It's just down now. Stay. No, that does not work better. Okay, so let's try this again. What? Okay, this is awful. This is awful. Ugh, let's go up. What is happening again? It's not sticking again. So hold up, I'm gonna add more glue. Literally says don't put too much, but then my lashes are not sticking, so I must add more glue then, I guess. I think next time I do this, I'm really gonna have to talk myself into it and be in the mood, because this is, oh, see, maybe it was just I needed more glue. And I'm pushing up those lashes. Just using my finger. That's why the plastic wrap I thought was good too, because, you know, I just held it over the lashes that weren't listening, sticking, and then I was able to proceed. Use this and see how this goes. Rolling, pushing and rolling them into the glue. Let's see how that works. I think I will work on eyelash symmetry next time. This is a learning curve that I'm not enjoying, but then again, I don't love any learning curves. I just like knowing, yeah, so that's my problem. You're supposed to put in the middle, not near our eyelash line, so be careful. Oh. Like this, and then go up, so as not to get anything on my eyeball. 9 seconds left, pretty good timing. All right, so I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna use a different portion to put up again. Okay, grab it like that. Kind of smear it on there. And you're just supposed to get it up on, not too close to your eyeball. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and put that plastic wrap on again, because as you can see, I didn't get all the lashes down. For the most part, they are under there. So, hey Siri, set a 12-minute timer. Siri, set a 12-minute timer. Why doesn't she listen to me? Hey Siri, set a 12-minute timer.
12 minutes. Counting down.
Better listen. This is such a long process too. I would definitely do this on a day where I was doing nothing else but beauty treatments, and I gotta go do all kinds of other things. And what was I thinking? You need like a tiny rectangle, you don't need so much. Okay, and then kind of dragging up. And then you kind of do that. Alrighty, so off this comes now. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And cool. Brush these up, up. And then hit them with that nourishing lotion. This is the after. This was kind of a pain in the butt. I would do it again though, and I think I probably would just get better with my technique as I did it over and over again, because, you know, like anything, you just get better if you keep doing it. So, yes, I would do it again. No, I wouldn't do it on a day when I have a million other things to do. I need a rest after this.